Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So in this video we will try to understand how to remember the symmetry of seven crystal system. Okay, so I am sure you must have heard about this symmetry of the seven crystal system and how to find those things. But here I will tell you the trick for remembering these things so that you can save your time in GATE exam. Okay, so in this video I will not tell you how to find the symmetries of seven crystal system. Just I will introduce the basic things and I will tell you. Okay, so before this video I have already given one video to for remembering the trick to remember the uh, seven axis and angles of the seven crystal system. Okay, so just I will relate those concepts here and those tricks here, and those tricks will also work here also. Okay, so this crystal system is here, first column, and characteristics symmetry is here. Okay, so this symmetry may be three types, that is rotational. Okay, so I will write here rotational symmetry. Other one is transitional. Okay, so transitional symmetry, and the other one is reflection. Okay, so these three types of symmetry may be exhibit in any crystal system or okay, so here we will talk about this rotational symmetry, and this transitional symmetry is present in every crystal systems, including the triclinic. Okay, so in previous video in previous video I have given the concept like that. CTO रोम रोम में है मोनो ट्राई. Okay, so what is the concept here? CTO रोम में है मोनोट्राई. So now you have to remember like that. CTO 413 रोम में है मोनोट्राई, like that. रोम में है मोनो 111 ट्राई. Okay, so what is the concept? Concept is CTO 413 रोम में है मोनो 111 ट्राई. Okay, so this is the concept here for remembering this characteristic symmetry in seven crystal system. Okay, so what is the CTO? Okay, so CTO I have already defined in previous video, so you should remember those things. If you did not watch our that video, please go through that video. That is very helpful for remembering the axis and angles. Also you may get the idea for finding lattice parameter. Okay, so mono and tri. Okay, so CTO, C means cubic. Okay, so we have cubic, then tetragonal. Okay, after that orthorhombic. Okay, so this is the trick I have already told you. CTO concept. So now what is the concept? CTO 413 means 413. Okay, CTO 413, CTO 413 Rome means rhombohedral. Okay, so rhombohedral is simple, rhombohedral. Okay, so there is another name of this rhombohedral, I will tell you. Okay, so he means hexagonal. Okay, so hexagonal. Now this mono means monoclinic, and this is simple. Tri means triclinic. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, the concept CTO 413 रोम में है 111 ट्राई. Okay, try. So what is the concept? Now we have written like that. CTO 413 Rome में है mono 111 try. Okay, so what is now, you know how to find the how to find the n-fold rotation. Okay, so for finding n-fold rotation I will just tell you the concept. N-fold rotation axis, how we can find n-fold rotation axis? We will find like that. That is uh, n is equals to 360 by theta. Okay, so what is this formula telling us? This formula is basically telling us if an object come into self coincidence through smallest non-zero rotation angle of theta, this angle of theta, then it is said to have an n-fold rotation. Okay, so this is the number of rotation. This 413 111, this is the number of rotation for particular this crystal system. And now what we will do, we will find how many fold rotation, means what fold rotation is existing in that crystal system. Okay, so for what, for that, how we can remember, I will tell you the concept. Okay, so cubic means 3. So in cubic crystal system we have 3 fold rotation axis. Okay, so first, what is the cubic? Cubic means 3. Okay, so this cubic means 3 fold rotation. It means this cubic system exhibit 4 3-fold rotation. Okay, 4 3-fold rotation. This 4 is number of 3-fold rotation. Okay, so I will not tell you for every crystal system like that. So just try to remember what is this characteristic symmetry. Means this cubic have 3-fold rotation axis, that is in number 4. Okay, so 4 3-fold rotation is is present in this cubic structure. Now the number is tetragonal. Okay, so this tetra means 4. Okay, so what we can write like that, 4-fold rotation axis. Okay, so this is just for remembering purpose. Okay, so this is just trick. So now uh, what is about this orthorhombic? So we will leave this orthorhombic. Okay, and what is this about rhombohedral? Rhombohedral is also known as trigonal. Okay, and tri means 3. Okay, so this rhombohedral have 3-fold rotation. Okay, 3-fold rotation axis. So this is the way of writing, or you may say the trick for learning. Okay, so in this way, if you will practice in your home, so you will remember in exams. Okay, so this hexagonal, hexa means 6. Okay, so this hexagonal exhibit 6-fold rotation axis. Okay, so I have written for everything, but I did not write for this orthorhombic and monoclinic and triclinic. Okay, so this triclinic have none no fold rotation axis is present in this triclinic. Okay, so what about this monoclinic and orthorhombic? So rest have 2-fold rotation. Okay, 2-fold rotation axis. So if you know the way of writing these things, so you may remember these things easily. Okay, so how first what I did, I told you how to write this crystal system in which manner, and then I told how to remember these things. So suppose if you get the matching type of questions, and if you will make a short trick like that, so you may find easily. You may sort the options. Okay, so you may find the options by matching one by one. Okay, so this is the trick. CTO 413 रोम में है मोनो 111 ट्राई. Okay, so this is the concept. I will tell you to write this concept, and suppose if you find any mistake in this concept, please try to contact us on Instagram. Okay, so we will try to make you understand. I think this is easy and simple concept, you may remember. Okay, so this is the concept. So this is the concept you may remember. Okay, so this CTO रोम में है मोनो 413111 like that. Okay, so what is the way of reading this? CTO 413 रोम में है मोनो 111 try. Okay, so this is the way of writing these things. So cubic means 3, tetra means 4, this rombo is also known as trigonal, so tri means 3, hexagonal means 6. Okay, so this is the way of writing. Thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have learned something new in this video. Please try to apply this trick and during your practice session, so that it will be easier for you in examination. Okay, so if for this question, for reference of this question, you may see this question in GATE 2017. Okay, so thank you.